From schools using online learning tools to hospitals with systems that can predict problems before they happen, technology has become essential, not just a nice-to-have. In Windsor, industries like education, manufacturing, tourism, finance, and healthcare are leaning on managed IT to keep operations running without interruption. With forecasts showing the managed services market set to hit $116.25 billion by 2030, the shift is clear. Uptime, security, and scalability are the real currency. In classrooms, it means secure, uninterrupted instruction. On manufacturing floors, it prevents costly shutdowns. In tourism, it keeps booking and payment systems smooth. In finance, it safeguards client trust during critical transactions. And in healthcare, it keeps life-saving systems online around the clock. Discover how these sectors are building long-term resilience through technology partnerships. You can read the full story on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist to keep it handy.